Hi, in this video we will answer the question, does Python have a ternary conditional operator? The answer to that is yes, it has. For this we will use the PyCharm Studio IDE to show you how the ternary operator looks in Python. So as you may know, the ternary operator is a more easy and fast way to write an if-else condition. And in Python the structures is like that. We have the condition, and if condition is true we return A, if the condition is false we return B. So to show you some code in that, here we have a print of a ternary operator. So you have this condition for bigger than 7. So if this is true we will return the string true, and if else the condition is false we will return the string false. As you may know, this is false, so if we run this we get false. Of course, because this returns a value, the ternary operator, we can attribute to a variable the return value of the ternary operator. So here we attribute it to a variable named variable, and we have for is less than 7, which is true. So this ternary operator will return true, which is attributed to this variable which we print to the console, as you may see.